Hi, in this video we will see how you can easily make a postpaid bill payment to clear dues of your previous telecom operator, Airtel. Click on the URL sent via SMS on your number. Alternatively, enter the URL you see on the screen. This link is also available in the video description. Enter account number. You can locate your account number in your Airtel Postpaid bill. Account number is mentioned on first page of bill. Enter mobile number. Enter amount due. Enter email address and communication number. Select appropriate payment option and proceed with payment. On successful payment, details will be displayed on screen. Click on View Receipt for downloading payment receipt. Now let us see how you can reach Airtel for an inactive number having an outstanding amount or for account details. You can find location-wise customer support number in the URL below https://www.airtel.in/prepaid-support. You can also email your query with their appellate desk. Email ID available in https://www.airtel.in/mobile-appellate. Or to locate touchpoints, click on Contact Us in Help section on their website. Don't forget to share payment details with us by calling on 199 or share payment details by writing to us on care@jio.com or connect with us via chat in My Jio app. Come on India! Jio Digital Life. Thank you.